Welcome to the Bigfoot reporting procedures for Bigfoot research, and this is for the Bigfoot face database that is being developed by MogollonMonster.com for all to use. This is 19 August 2014. Over the years, I have done Bigfoot research, and I've tried to video everything I do. And I've run into an interesting phenomenon, and that is that I don't catch everything myself. There's a lot of stuff that happens in the video that I don't see because I'm looking at a 2-inch display screen. Many viewers on YouTube and Facebook have actually spotted Bigfoot in the bushes. And so I started collecting those faces, and then I realized that it is important that we start recording these faces to look for matches in facial characteristics from different times and different places. Now, I do realize that there is pareidolia. This is the effect of finding faces in things like leaves and abstracts and so forth. This happens quite a bit. There are optical illusions, there are hoaxes and stuff like that. However, to combat these, we need to look at them all. In other words, we collect them up and put them into a database, and then over time we should start seeing matches. Those matches indicate a high probability that it is real. Now, we have had several cases of matching faces, and therefore we can feel fairly comfortable that these faces are the real thing. One thing that I really appreciate are there are many viewers out there that will take and go through my videos frame by frame looking for Bigfoot and the faces. I appreciate this very much because this saves me a lot of time and energy that I could devote for being out there in the field doing more research and finding out more things about the Bigfoot. Unfortunately, there are those out there that choose to try to throw a monkey wrench in the situation and have started reporting false faces and so forth in various parts of the videos. This leads me to the point of this video here, and that is I now have to go through all of my videos and verify that they appear, or these faces appear in the video at the freeze frame or the time markings that are indicated by the messages that I receive. In other words, I have to go through a verification process, and that's what this video is about. Now, if I do catch people hoaxing the information, I will ban them. It is sometimes difficult to spot the creature that you're talking about. Therefore, I've devised a way that my virtual Bigfoot researchers can help me out a bit, and that is the guide that I have posted here. This is basically shows a computer screen, and it's very easy to do. You basically take your screen and put a dot or a marker or something at halfway, and then half the halves, and then you can label it A, B, C, D across the top, and 1, 2, 3, 4 on the bottom or on the side. Therefore, if your creature appears in B2, you can say, okay, it's in the upper right hand corner of B2, or the central position or center of C3. Those are examples. This will help me look for your Bigfoot face that you have found and that you are reporting. Now, if you don't want to go through this process, then you don't have to provide the following information. I need to know the title of the video, the time tag in that video to where to go look, And I really could use a freeze frame, and possibly an indication of some sort of where it's at, and of course report the quadrant. So does the face have to be perfectly clear? No. Can it show evidence of cloaking or dimension shifting? I don't see why not. After all, if it happens, we need to record that too, and we should be able to get matching photographs. So therefore, all faces that have facial characteristics, we need to be able to record, and this goes into our database. And this will also help us long term nationally, because we are starting to discover that there are several subspecies of the Bigfoot. They're not all the 800-pound, 8-foot to 10-foot giants. Some of them are much smaller. Some of them are much more slender. Some of them have very different facial characteristics, such as the primitives, or the human characteristics, or the dog-faced Bigfoot. Therefore, we need to get a handle on this, and we need participation. I encourage all Bigfoot research organizations to establish some kind of face database that we can share links and be able to send people to research the different types of Bigfoot, so that we can finally nail it down and show that yes, Bigfoot is there.